Overusing or misusing loops. Why it's an issue. Excessive use of loops, such as apply to each or do until, can lead to significant performance bottlenecks in Power Automate. When processing large datasets or handling many iterations, these loops can slow down workflows, cause timeouts, and even fail if they exceed Power Automate's iteration limits, e.g., 5,000 items per loop. Mismanagement of loops not only impacts performance, but can also result in incomplete workflows or unnecessary resource consumption. Best practices to avoid overuse of loops. Filter data at the source. Before bringing data into Power Automate, use filtering capabilities at the source level, e.g., SharePoint views, SQL query parameters, or OData filters. This reduces the number of records being processed and minimizes the need for loops. Example: instead of looping through all SharePoint list items to find those assigned to a specific user, configure a view or apply an OData filter, assigned to equals John Doe, to fetch only relevant items. Utilize bulk operations. Actions like select and filter array are designed to process entire datasets without the need for iteration. These operations are often faster and more efficient. Example: use select to extract a specific field, e.g., email addresses, from a dataset, rather than looping through each item individually. Implement batch processing. For scenarios with large datasets, split the data into manageable chunks using pagination or custom batching logic. Process each batch independently to avoid hitting limits. Example: when retrieving thousands of rows from a database, enable pagination in the Get Rows action and process data in batches of 1,000 rows at a time. Break down complex flows. If a loop is unavoidable but involves numerous steps, consider splitting the logic into separate child flows using the Run a Child Flow action. This modular approach improves maintainability and isolates potential performance issues. Use parallel branching. For independent tasks that would otherwise require loops, use parallel branches to execute actions simultaneously, reducing overall runtime. Example: instead of looping through a list of email recipients to send notifications, configure a parallel branch to send emails concurrently. Key takeaways: loops should be a last resort, not a default solution. Leverage pre-filtering and data operations to minimize the need for iteration. Optimize performance with batch processing and parallelism to avoid exceeding power.